Hello everybody, it's Fairy Julianne here, and I'm going to show you how to make some slime at home. Here are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need some water, PVA glue, some of Dad's shaving foam, some colour, acrylic paint I'm using today, or you can use food colour. You'll need some borax and a mixing bowl for that, and that goes with that, and a bowl to make your slime in. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to show you how to make is your activator. You can make thousands of slimes from this one solution. Okay, so we need 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of borax. You can find borax at Woolworths or Coles in the cleaning section. Okay, so you want 1 teaspoon. This is half a teaspoon, so I need to put 2 in. There we go. And you want to mix that until it's well dissolved. Okay, so this is your activator solution, and you can literally make hundreds of slimes just out of that, because every slime you make, you only need 1/2 scoop, okay? All right, let's get slime making now. The first thing I'm adding is some PVA glue, and it doesn't matter how much. The second thing I'm adding is Dad's shaving foam. Shake it up. So it's equal parts PVA and equal part shaving foam. There you go. And now I'm going to add my colour. I'm using acrylic paint in this lovely teal blue colour, which I just adore. So just a little bit like that is plenty. And now I'm going to add my activator solution that I just made. Now I only need 1 of those. That is it. And now for the fun part, let's get mixing. So we're going to mix, 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 mix. And what you want it to do is to wrap around your spoon, a bit like how fairy floss wraps around a fairy floss stick. Mix, 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 mix. Get it all in there. Mix, 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 mix. Look at that beautiful fluffy foam. And look at it, it's starting to wrap all around my spoon, which is exactly what I want. And when you start seeing some strings in the bottom like that, that's how you know that it will be ready to take out and start mixing with your hands, which I'm about to do now. So look at that. So we're going to squish it in between our hands, get some air into it, stretch it, and squish. Now don't worry if it seems like it's really sticky and that your hands are just looking like a mess. Don't panic. It will start to come together the more you handle it. Just keep handling it and handling it. See, look, you can clean up your hands just by pressing it in like this. That's it. It's all coming off my hands. Look at that, it's perfect. It's already ready to go. Now if your slime is too sticky and it's all over your hands, what you need to do is just add a little bit more. All you need to do is add a little bit more of your activator solution, just a couple of drops, and just mix that through, and that will make it less sticky. That's it, and I'm just going to keep mixing it up and squishing it in between my hands. It's very fun, very satisfying. And then I'm going to clean up my fingers again because it's all finished now. I'm going to now clean up my bowl. Here's an easy way to clean your bowl. You just stick your slime in and clean it up. Okay. Now, if you put more shaving foam in accidentally, that is okay. It'll just be a fluffier slime. But yeah, so you're better off having too much shaving foam than not enough shaving foam. And which brand of shaving foam? My favourite has been the Nivea brand, but they all work. This time is actually a Gillette shaving foam under here. Let me show you. I'll rip off my slime label. Let me show you. I'll have to, and I'm not going to show you, and I'm going to cut that out of the video. Slime making. All right. Clean up my bowl. Look how clean that bowl is coming. It's great. That means you don't have to use paper towel or anything to clean up your slime mess. Your slime becomes an excellent cleaner-upper. Gets it all off your hands, all out of the bowl. It will be good enough to eat out of. You wouldn't even know that there was sticky slime in there, would you? And of course, we need to do the spoon as well. Get it all up there. Clean off my spoon. Let's have a nice close-up play of this slime. That's so much fun. Look at it. Oh, so fluffy. Oh. Woo. Okay, now to store your slime, you would like to probably put it in a little container like this. And that's what it looks like when you buy it. You can just get that at any $2 shop, the cheapest chips, reject shop, anything like that. And you will stick your foamy slime in there. Put the lid on, and you can decorate that with some stickers on the outside. And you know what? What else I'm going to do to make my slime really fun today is look what I've got here. I'm going to decorate with some of these sequins. Just on top like that. And there it is. It looks good enough to eat, but it's definitely not edible. I hope you enjoyed my slime making tutorial. Please remember to subscribe and like and turn your notifications on so that you get notified every time I make a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.